Welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to enable security check for our applications installed from external sources before installation. To do it, we have to go to Settings. We are looking for security option here. Next, More Settings. And now, check apps from external sources. It performs check on apps from external sources before installation. To enable security check, tap this option here. To disable, uncheck this box. That's it. It's a little bit hidden. I hope it was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.